up, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to wheelie a bike. Now, I'm going to tell you there's... So, I'll show you how to do this.
Hold on, cut the video.
So, yeah. So the first step is... So, we both have... Everybody has a main foot. What do you think has more power? So if you think you have a left foot, your left foot has more power, use your left foot. If your right foot has more power, use your right. You'll know what I'm talking about here in a minute. So, if you're on a low gear bike, I recommend completely stopping. Then what you want to do is use your pedal here, grab it,
Have it far back
yeah.
as well.
Go into the front, go back, pull up and push. While you're stopped on a multi-gear bike. But on a single gear bike with a high gear like this, you want just a little bit of speed, nothing too crazy, and then pull up. And that's how you do it on one of these. Again, little speed, front, push, pull up. Please practice. This takes a while. This took me like 6 months of practicing.
I have it down.
This took me like 6 months of practice to really get it. And I'm still not good. But I wish I had the other bike because I'd go over that. But resuming the other video.